You don't have a focus problem, you have a priority problem. Most people try to focus harder, but focus isn't something you force. It's something you remove distractions for. If everything feels important, nothing gets your full attention. That's where the problem starts. When I work on something, I don't try to do more. I try to do less, but with full attention. Because attention is limited. Every time you switch tasks, you lose part of it. And it doesn't come back instantly. That's why you feel tired even when you haven't done much. It's not the work, it's the switching. Most people don't realize this. They keep checking things, messages, notifications, random thoughts, and then they wonder why they can't focus. Focus is not about adding something, it's about removing everything else. You don't need more discipline, you need fewer distractions. Start with this. Pick one thing, not 5, not 3, just one. Give it your full attention for a fixed amount of time. No switching, no checking. At first, it feels uncomfortable, but that's normal because your mind is used to distraction. Over time, that discomfort turns into clarity, and clarity turns into speed. Focus is not about doing more things. It's about doing one thing without distraction.